Alright, what's up guys, and welcome back to Farmer on the Prairie. Today we are going to go get a new tractor, and this tractor is to replace the hydro. A couple years ago now, we noticed that the hydrostat on that tractor was just getting weaker. This spring, we decided we were going to order a 12-speed Kubota 7060 with front wheel assist and a front end loader, EPTO, a bunch of different options like that without a cab. And we decided that we were just going to postpone that order, and then fast forward to this fall, and now the tractor has just been going downhill, and we decided that we were going to go ahead and maybe think about doing something again, but a Kubota 7060 was just out of the question. So the other night, Dad was looking through the Agri News, and he saw an ad for a tractor. Didn't have a price on it, but he decided he'd give the guy a call. And called the guy. They talked for a while about the tractor, and then he decided we were going to go look at it 2 days ago, which was Saturday. So we went over and looked at it. Really liked the tractor. It was in good condition. It was a 1994 with 850 hours, and we just decided that we were going to go ahead and buy it. It's much less expensive than the 7060 was going to be. So we went over there, looked at it, and then today, 2 days later, Monday, I went over with Ben and we went ahead and picked the tractor up. Alright, we're on our way to go pick the tractor up. It's an hour-and-a-half drive, and we're about halfway there. All the way up? Yes. Okay, it's all loaded up and we're heading home. Strapped the tractor down with chains and binders, and then we took a strap to the hooks on the extra bucket. So Ben, what's your thoughts on the new tractor?
Shiny.
Okay guys, just pulled in this new tractor. We're gonna take the chains and binders off of it, unload the second bucket that came with it, and then we'll pull it into the shop. Show you what we bought.
Alright, Seth just started the tractor up to take it off, and here he goes. Alright, so Seth just pulled the tractor off the trailer, as you can see, and he's dropping the bucket that he has on it so we can take off the bucket that we put on the front of the trailer, and then we're gonna put it in the pull it into the shed so that some work can be done on it.
So we got home and unloaded the tractor, and here it is. It is a Case IH 695. It is very, very similar to our Hydro. It's got a Magnum grill on it, has a 4-speed high-low manual transmission. That's the two differences. And then it also has, there's small things here and there, but our Hydro had axle shaft hubs. This one's just got a cast hub with 8 bolts on it, and it does not have a sliding hub anymore. The 3-point also lifts higher, and this one has a 1000 PTO as well as a 540. It's got small differences here and there. Our Hydro has a bush hog loader on it. This has a Case IH 2250 loader on it. It sticks up a little bit high, kind of blocks view some, but I seem to be able to see fine on it. And the guy went ahead and did not like taking pins out every time he wanted to change the loader. He paid a local fab shop to make an adapter plate for this loader. So the loader is no longer a pin style connector. It is a skid steer style connector, which works great because our Kubota is also skid steer mount. So we can interchange attachments, buckets, bale spears, forks, all that different stuff. So that is the new tractor. Okay, so got the hood all off. We're looking at different leaks on here. I see a little bit of fluid down in there by the one injector. I don't know if that's oil or diesel fuel.
Looks like fuel.